Tube Sensei, Decoding YT, and How to AI. All these channels blew up in just 8 to 10 videos, and you're sitting there like, is it just luck? Am I cursed? Did YouTube forget I exist? Well, spoiler alert, it's not luck. But here's the kicker. You're probably making the same 5 mistakes every struggling YouTuber makes. And no, it's not because your content is bad. In fact, your content might be boom. But if you're not using these 5 strategies, you're basically throwing confetti in the wind and hoping it turns into cash. Let me tell you something wild. I used these strategies on my second YouTube video, and guess what? I got 4.2K impressions in just one day. For a new channel, that's like finding a golden ticket in a chocolate bar. So if you're sitting there thinking, why am I not getting views? Why is my channel stuck in the YouTube Bermuda Triangle? Stop! You're about to learn the secrets that even Tube Sensei and every other big YouTuber swears by. And no, I'm not just blowing hot air. I've tried these strategies and they worked. If you're ready to stop being a YouTube ghost and start being a YouTube goat, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're doing wrong, how to fix it, and how to make your faceless YouTube automation channel explode. Oh, and don't worry, I'll keep it funny, punchy, and straight to the point. No fluff, just results. Let's go. Mistake number 1, posting your first video on the wrong topic. Your first video is like your first date. Pick the wrong topic, and it's awkward for everyone. Most new YouTubers make the mistake of posting about something they think that is cool, but here's the truth. Your first video needs to be on a trending topic in your niche. How do you find it? Just don't take tension, because I am here with you. Keep in mind all these mistakes I am telling you. Don't just think that where is the solution of this problem? Wait, where are you going and simply why you are thinking of it? I told you earlier, I am here with you, so just trust on me and wait till end. Because patience is the first secret sauce. Mistake number 2, ignoring channel SEO. You think video SEO is enough? Think again. Channel SEO is the secret sauce that most YouTubers ignore. This makes your content more shareable and boost your chances of going viral. So don't take it easy. Mistake number 3, not giving your channel an initial boost. Here's the secret. You don't need to spend a single penny to give your channel a boost. Even all these hot YouTubers never spend a single penny, and I will tell you how to do it. Just watch this video till and you will definitely get something you don't know. Mistake number 4, common YouTube video SEO mistakes. We all know SEO is the backbone of YouTube success, but we don't know how to do it? How to make your video ranked on top trending? Is it simply all game of tags? Nah, it's much more than that, so watch this video till end, because I am not just going to tell you about the mistakes you are doing, but also I will tell you the secrets and the best solution for all these mistakes. So stay curious till end. Mistake number 5, the premiere trick. The secret strategy. Before you hit that publish button, stop. Why? This secret strategy will push your video into the recommended section, giving you more organic views. And let's get started. Strategy 1, the viral demand topic for your first video. Your first video is like your childhood. Yes, I said it. Just like how your childhood shapes who you become, your first video sets the tone for your entire YouTube journey. If you mess it up, it's like giving your kid a diet of only candy. Not a good idea, right? So how do you find the perfect topic for your first video? Let me break it down for you. Step 1, go to YouTube search bar and look for trending creators in your niche. Subscribe to them. Why? Because YouTube will start showing you similar content and you'll get a feel for what's working. Step 2, now analyze smaller creators in your niche. Look for channels with 3,000 to 15,000 subscribers who've posted 10 to 30 videos. Check how long they've been on YouTube and what topics they've covered. Step 3, pick a topic that's already working for them. If it worked for them, it can work for you too. Pro tip, don't just copy their content, put your own spin on it. Be the upgraded version of their video. Strategy 2, channel SEO, the secret sauce. Okay, listen up. Most people think video SEO is enough. Nope, you need channel SEO too. And no, this isn't some mythical creature. It's real and it's powerful. Here's how to do it. 1, open your YouTube channel on desktop and go to settings, then channel settings. 2, under basic info, select your country and set your currency to USD, because hello, global audience. 3, now head to advanced settings. This is where the magic happens. Add trending keywords related to your niche. Tick the box that says, allow viewers to clip my content. This makes your content more shareable. And here's the golden nugget. Allow third-party companies to train models using your content. This opens up more opportunities for your channel to be discovered. When I first did this, I was like, wait, this is it. This is the secret. And then my impressions started skyrocketing. Strategy 3, the device army trick. All right, this one's a bit sneaky, but it works. Gather 10 to 15 devices. Yes, borrow your friends' phones if you have to. Connect each device to a VPN from a different country. Now, search for your channel on YouTube, don't use the direct link, and play your video 3 to 4 times on each device. Why? This boosts your watch time, CTR, and audience retention. YouTube's algorithm will think, wow, this video is popping off globally. The first time I did this, my mom walked in and was like, why do you have 10 phones on the table? I just said, Mom, I am building an empire. Strategy 4, YouTube video SEO, the ultimate hack. We all know SEO is the backbone of YouTube success, but here's how to do it. Right. 1. Use 2 hashtags in your title. 2. Write a killer description, then head to Keywords Finder AI. Just Google it. Paste your video's title or keyword, and it'll spit out a bunch of tags. Copy those tags and paste them into your video description with a number sign before each one. 3. Now open VidIQ, go to your video's details, and add all the recommended tags. Copy those tags and paste them at the top of your description. Boom! Your video is now optimized to the max. Strategy 5, the premiere trick. Before you hit that publish button, stop. 1. Set your video to unlisted and schedule it as a premiere. 2. 5 minutes before the premiere, open the video on 6 to 7 devices with different VPNs. 3. Once the premiere ends, watch the video 3 to 4 times on each device. Refresh the browser every time the video ends. Why? This pushes your video into the recommended section, giving you more organic views. The first time I tried this, my video got 10x more views than usual. I was like, is this even legal? Final words. There you have it, future YouTube stars, 5 secret strategies to blow up your channel and get monetized faster than you can say AdSense. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to these strategies and you'll see results. And hey, if you found this helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let me know in the comments which strategy you're going to try first. Until next time, keep grinding, keep shining, and I'll see you in the next video. Regards, the Invisible Influencer.